It's painful even to see these words. But we're gonna fix it, don't worry. So let's start with the plural form because it's a bit easier. So for the plural form, we use the e vowel, like in words elephant or red. It's quick, it's short, and we say it like men. Men. For example, I can see many men over there. The singular form is a little bit more complicated because here we use the cat vowel. So for the cat vowel, we need to open our mouth a little bit more. We need to stretch our mouth aside and we need to see the body of our tongue. And this vowel is a little bit longer. Cat, cat. And also it changes a little bit before the nasal because N is the nasal. And it sounds something like ah, ah, man, man. One man, many men. One man, many men. Can you hear the difference?